So why is the law studies?
My sister, you see that thing called law? Not really easy.
Are you serious?
Hey, you know we just go to school and say want to study law, want to study law. Now, boy, this simple. It is not easy.
Hey.
We have law of human rights, family law, criminal law of this, law of that, law of career. Because but we are pushing it. What will we do? We started it. We must end it.
That is it. To one them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Precious Pomphithetse. If you're new on this channel, my name is Precious Pomphithetse. What is going on? What is going on? I wish you guys could see what's going on. The phone is sliding down, and then I have to also remove this. Ooh, look! Oh my god! Okay, I'm back again. Is my room a mess? Always a mess. That's nothing new. I think we all know that there's too much light. A lot is going on, hey? Okay, I think this way is better. Alright. Alright. Okay. Anyway. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Pomphithetse. If you're seeing this face for the first time. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, Tsala. Anyway, as you guys can see from the title of the video, I just want to vent because I want to sleep. Okay, like I'm supposed to be in class again. I think at this point you guys already know that I don't attend classes. My lips are dry. I think at this point you guys know that I do not attend classes. I haven't been attending classes this week. It's giving very much I'm tired. It's giving very much I don't want to go to school. I want to go home. I want to go. So I am a 4th year law student. I think that's not a new discovery. I'm a 4th year law student at the University of Botswana, and someone was passing and they're looking at me and it's weird. Anyway, I'm a 4th year law student at the University of Botswana, and I've been studying law. Obviously, if I'm a 4th year law, so I've been studying it for 4 years now. So to be quite honest, how I got into law school was because I didn't get to medical school, so I was like, let me just go for the next best thing, which was law, and I applied for law school, right? And I got here. So I was actually surprised that I actually got in, which is weird, but anyway, I passed. I did well. I'm a very smart person. I don't even want to, you know,
please, we know it's a lie. Okay, fine, in my defense.
But anyway, I did well. I qualified, I got in, and then I started law school. So when I started law school, the first semester was okay. Like when you start something new, you find it interesting. Yeah, as I was saying, I started law school, it was interesting because it's something new. I don't know what's going on. Like you're learning new things every day, especially like, you know, it's interesting. I don't want to lie, it was really interesting in the beginning, and then I really I never fell in love with law, to be quite honest. I never fell in love with law, and I never really thought I'd be a lawyer. I never imagined myself as a lawyer. Like growing up, I never saw myself doing law or becoming a lawyer, and I never really was interested in this law career thing. Like it wasn't giving what I thought it was gonna give. You get what I mean? So yeah, I personally didn't really think of myself doing law or anything like that. So yeah, and then second year came, we did criminal law. Criminal law was interesting. I felt like I wanted to be a criminal lawyer at some point. I was like, damn, that's crazy, that's nice. That's like, I liked criminal law better than all the other laws. And then third year came, I hated employment, I hated labor. Personally, I don't even know what happened in land law. Like, guys, listen, third year, I don't know how I passed third year, because I was just cruising. I was moving with the wave. Whatever was going on third year, I was just there cruising with it. I don't know how I got here, but all of a sudden we're in fourth year and we're doing practicals, and now we're meeting clients, and now we have files, and now we have this, and now we have that. I personally did not sign up for law school. I just don't want to lie. Listen, if Hannah Baker went to law school, I promise you that show would have been called 14 Reasons Why. And we all know what the 14th reason would be. Let's be real. Because there's no way, my boy, ain't no way. Law school is not real, guys. Law school is not Suits. Law school is not How to Get Away with Murder. I watched How to Get Away with Murder while I was in law school because I was trying to convince myself that I was probably going to be Annalise Kidding, the next Annalise. I watched Suits and I thought maybe I was going to be the next, what's his name? His name starts with an H. What? His name starts with an H. I thought I was going to be Harvey Spectra, the female version of Harvey, but no, baby. It's not giving I want to be a lawyer. Like, I have no passion for this, and I tried to watch How to Get Away with Murder. Maybe at least would have motivated me, but no. I tried to watch Suits. Maybe I would be the next Harvey Spectra. No. I tried to watch that one with that other lady. What's it called? I don't know, but if I find the name, I'll put it here. No, it's not. I tried to watch, I remember I watched Anatomy of a Scandal because the other lady is a lawyer and they were trying to solve a case, and I was trying to solve it as well. Like, you know, evidence, this, that. No. Child, it's not giving. I don't want to do this. Like, it's so boring that even now my files, or the files that I had to close both of them for certain reasons, and I'm not motivated to go get another one. People have been asking, like, we're supposed to file this, am I filing that, oh this, that, and I'm just not interested. I'm just like, I don't know, guys. It's funny because I'm in 4th year, the next year is my last year, and then from there, like, life takes course, and I don't know what's next or what's gonna happen. But personally, to be honest, I really don't want to be a lawyer. I do not want this profession. It's really not giving what I want. Bro, I don't know why I got into law school in the first place. I don't. I think it's because it was the next big thing, and also knowing that as a person who took academics as her first love, it became a thing that affected me, and it still is, because I took academics as my first love. To be quite honest, I had nothing else to concentrate or to focus on, so school was like my one favorite thing to do, or you know, studying was like the one thing I did to escape. And now I'm doing something I don't want, and it's like I never knew what I wanted because all I always focused on was making sure that I get good grades, right? And I never really thought of how my future was going to look like, or what I'm going to become, or what I'm going to do with my life. I never really thought of that until now, when I'm in 4th year law school, and I'm like, I have 1 more year to finish this, and yes, I have like 1 more year to think about my life and what I want to do. But at this point, I'm putting my life in God's hands. Like, God, oh Jesus, Son of God, listen, you gotta come up with a plan for me, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what's next for me. I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, it's so weird that I'm doing 4th year, and sorry, okay, I was reading a message. So it's so weird that I'm in 4th year and I'm finishing in 2024, and I still don't know what I want to do. I don't know what I want to become. I personally don't want to lie, I do not have anything that is driving me. The one thing that is driving me is that I do have something that's driving me. The one thing that's driving me is that I don't want to be poor. But what am I going to do to not be poor? I do not know. Like, I have so many things that I always think of, and I always imagine, like, okay, maybe if I did that, or I tapped into business, I tapped into this, maybe, but it's like, am I really passionate about, like, what is my passion? And that's like something that I've been thinking about. And I don't know about you guys, but at this stage, at the age that I'm at right now, I have no passion. I remember I saw something yesterday on Instagram. It read something along the lines of, you don't have to have everything figured out. Personally, I feel like when people say this, you don't have to have your life figured out, you're still young, whatever. Guys, you're gonna wake up at 60 years old and you find out that you have no home, you have no job, you have nothing, because we've been saying that we are too young to figure everything out. I'm not saying figure everything out, but we cannot just sit and say my time will come, Like, when is it gonna come? You know, are you going to be 40 and then realize that I've been saying my time will come for 40 years now? Let's just think about it. Let's be realistic. Because my mom had 3 kids at my age. My mom had a car, my mom had a house. My mama had everything. Okay, listen, my mama had her life figured out at 22. And I'm not trying to compare myself with my mom, but like people from that generation, like they know something that we don't. And because we are this generation that's trying so hard to break generational curses and whatever, I think before we jump off to breaking generational curses, we also need to understand what happened, or what they understand, or what they know that we don't. Because listen, my mama was 22 when she had 3 kids. My mom was 22 when she got her life figured out. Like, not necessarily had her life figured out, like she didn't, I don't know, like I'm just saying that she had businesses, she had a life, she had something to look forward to every day. Some of us just have school to look forward to. So, as I was saying, I'm not saying have your life figured out, but I'm freaking out, to be quite honest. Because even though people are like, no, you're still young, you still have to, I don't have time, you guys. I don't want to die. People knowing me as this academic girl who went to school, she was studying law. If I die tomorrow, the one thing that you guys are going to talk about is that she was studying law and she was in the same class as me, or she was my friend, or I know her from primary school. No, I want you to know me as the billionaire child. Like, listen, I don't know if you get me, but my point is, this thing of, or this narrative that we're young and we still have time, personally I do not believe in it. I do not confirm to it. But in the end of the day, I don't want to be a lawyer, and it's very much not Suits. It's not Anatomy of a Scandal. It's not How to Get Away with Murder. It's tricky. If you want to study law, please, at the University of Botswana, I'm not gonna lie, it is okay. Like, if you're a reading person, I'm not a reading person, but I still do good. So you just need to study smart. But if you want to do law, University of Botswana is okay when it comes to that law system. Like, I personally, I think it's okay. I don't want to lie, I think it's okay. I think it's actually better than other places. I'm not going to say where, but it's better than other places. So if you think you want to study law at the University of Botswana and you're watching this, please be sure that's something you want to do. I think in general, every other course, if there's something you want to do, please be sure that it's something you want to do. Because studying something that you're not passionate about is really not giving. Like, for me, I do not care about my marks like that. This is going to sound weird. I'm going to graduate with a CGPA. Oh no, I'm not manifesting that. I'm not manifesting that. But don't be shocked when you watch, or when you're looking at the graduation list and my CGPA is not 5.0, it's not 4. Don't be shocked. Just know that I told you. I'm not interested. I don't even care how much my CGPA is. I'm just trying to keep it to a certain point so that it doesn't drop. That's all I'm trying to do. If I check my marks and it says I have a 50% in an exam or a final mark, I'm okay. I don't have a supplement. I don't have a retake. I passed. So we move on. That's literally me at this point. It is not okay. It's not healthy. So make sure you do a course because you really want to do it, because then you're going to focus and you're going to really study hard, because you know that your life really depends on it. For me, my life don't depend on being a lawyer, and I'm telling you right now, even if I was to become a great potential lawyer, God, I'm sorry, God, I don't want to be a mechanic. I want to be a bowler, and me being a lawyer is me being a mechanic. Period. That was weird. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I just came to event. I don't know why. I'm supposed to be sleeping because I want to sleep. Class is on right now. My roommate is at class. I'm supposed to be attending that class, but I'm not there because I think I need to sleep. I really want to rest because not the burnt out that's about to come next week, because people are about to be burnt out, I'm telling you, because everybody's trying to overwork themselves. Guys, exams are coming, tests are coming. If you're watching this, please rest, please drink water, rest, sleep, whatever you gotta do, because we don't want to be catching you guys as you fall there by the exam rooms. Please, thank you for watching. Bye.